Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting the water off at the valve and flushing to lower the water level. This prevents mess and shows how the tank refills. Put on gloves and grab a plunger, wrench, and bucket so you can act quickly. Open the tank lid and visually inspect the fill valve, flapper, float, and overflow tube to identify leaks or obvious damage. Once you see which part is failing, you'll know whether to tighten, adjust, or replace components to restore proper flush function. You now move into the heart of the repair, adjusting and replacing parts. If the flapper is warped, remove the old one and install a new rubber flapper, leaving about 1/2 inch of chain slack so it seals and lifts properly. Adjust the float or float cup so the water stops about 1 inch below the overflow tube to prevent constant running. If the fill valve leaks or won't shut off, replace it or swap the seal. Make sure connections are hand-tight plus a quarter turn. You finish by slowly turning the water back on, watching for leaks at the supply line, tank bolts, and base. Tighten if needed. Flush several times to confirm the flapper seals and the tank refills to the correct level without running. Make sure the overflow tube height is correct and the float adjustment holds steady. If the toilet still runs after these steps, replace the entire valve assembly. That single swap eliminates hidden internal wear that causes persistent leaks. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.